Lymphatic system. Yep, it's not just the fascial system you have to worry about when it comes to your body and it being able to move properly. The lymphatic system stores immune cells, fat, proteins, and waste products. So what it does is it starts to accumulate in certain areas. And where you see it the most is behind the ears, into the clavicles, the armpit, hip flexors, behind the knees, and around the ankles. You want the system to drain, and what it does is it essentially works from the left side of the body and then travels through to the right side of the body. How can you work on your lymphatic system? Some of it is like vibrational movement, right? So you can do that with your hands, you can raise it above your head, you can do a lot of shaking. But there are two ways I like to deal with it when I'm teaching clients how to deal with their own lymphatic systems. If you can feel right by your ears, if you take your fingers and you pull them down past your ears, you might start to feel some liquid kind of draining through. So what I like to do is I like to pin it, and as I'm sliding the fingers down towards my jawline, I'm going to open up my jaw. That's one way to deal with it. You might even feel some of that like liquid drainage happening, which is really cool. The other thing that I do is I cup myself. So you can take a cup, you can pin it right here. I would just pump it once for trial reasons. Oh. And then you can also do the same thing. Open up your jaw carefully, slowly, and intentionally. All right, so we're gonna walk in 2 cups at a time because I think it gives you the most effective results. For some of you who haven't done this before, it can be a little uncomfortable initially. I'm gonna do 2 pumps because I'm fucking crazy like that. So sometimes the talking will pull the cup off, so I'm gonna stay quiet and demo. I like to also place them behind the ears and repeat the same segment.